G'day everyone, Ivan from Earthworks Hub. This is a mini-series on learning how to read plans for beginners. And the first one we're going to talk about is the TBM. Let's do it. What is a TBM? TBM stands for Temporary Benchmark. A TBM is simply a known survey point with a known RL, and I know you've all heard this term being thrown around, reduced level. And surveyors establish these points so that everyone on site is working from the same reference point. Without a TBM, nobody really knows whether their levels are correct. And where do you find these TBMs? Usually on residential projects, you'll find them on pit leads, footpaths, curbs, driveways, survey nails. They're usually nailed into a fence somewhere. And if you walk around on a new residential site, often you'll see on the footpath a little rivet that's been bashed into the concrete, and sometimes they're sprayed blue or pink so that you can see them. That is the TBM. On larger civil projects, you might see them on like concrete monuments or survey pegs, on like brass plaques, pins that are set into the concrete. And what they'll do often is when they're starting a new project, they'll pour a little bit of concrete somewhere where it's likely that nothing's going to be built on it, and they'll put a rivet into that, flag it off so nobody runs it over, and then that becomes the known reference point for everyone on site. So that location for the TBM will also be on any plans. So for example, you might see a TBM RL 100.245. What does that actually mean? This means that the exact point has a surveyed level of 100.245 meters. So every other level on that site is referenced from that point. And that goes from anyone that's doing plumbing, electrical, doing the concreting, even guys that are doing any formwork, or if you're in a basement, or if you're doing it like building, the carpenters, everyone uses that RL level. Why it matters? Before you start, find the TBM, check your laser, check your GPS, confirm your levels, then begin your work. Because if the TBM is wrong or you've picked up the wrong benchmark, every level on that project can be wrong. That means you might be cutting way too much or way too little. So make sure you double check that you're using the same TBM. Ask one of your supervisors, ask a builder, double check it. If you're using GPS on your equipment, for example, an excavator, you can use that survey point to calibrate your machine to make sure that you're digging to the right heights. So make sure you know where it is. So there you have it. That is the TBM explained. In the next workshop, we'll be looking at the most common abbreviations that you're going to find in any earthworks or construction plans. So make sure you join us on that workshop. See you there.